Hi guys, it's Munene here from Finem Graphics. Today I'm going to teach you about how to make a WordPress menu item to open in a new tab. By default, WordPress doesn't show that option, that when you click an item that is on your menu, that it opens on a new tab. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Please, if you like this video and if you like to know more about WordPress, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you get notified every time we post new videos. Okay, first of all, you need to log into the backend of your WordPress. Then you go to Appearance, then Menu. When you are at Menu, you go to the item. Let me just open this menu item. You see, when you open it, there is nothing there. There's no option for you to make it to open on a new tab. So if you want that option to be there, by default it's not activated. So to activate it, you just go to Screen Options, then you go to Link Target, you check it, then let's go back to our menu item. Now we have it. So when you tick it, it means every time when someone click on this menu item, it's gonna open on a new tab. If you unclick it, it won't open on a new tab. So that's all, guys. After you do that, don't forget to save your menu. Then when you save, that's done. It's done already. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it helped you.